Dear viewers, I am Kamrul. I will give demo on small software which was developed by me. Uh, this is a matrix based uh, graphical 2D frame analysis software, uh, and uh, from this uh, software you can take print of different type of matrices which may be needed by students or teacher while doing uh, different type of mathematics. So let's start. I will give demo on how to use different uh, buttons and different views, different uh, things about the software. Now, let us start. Here you see show example button. Uh, this shows a few examples. This is a uh, both and fixed uh, frame inclined with partial trapezoidal force and a few gravitational direction force, and also one moment. And if you run it, and you can uh, uh, go to post analysis to see different diagrams here, moment, deflection. Also you can see graph and table by selecting one member, and from here you can also get different values, sliding the mouse left and right, and also you can see from tabular form, and you can see the output. Here is the coordinates, uh, start end coordinates, member properties. This is support reaction. Uh, this is global uh, displacement of nodes in all are in centimeter and radian. Result member force local member force results, and here is some calculation and uh, degrees of freedom, etc. And we can go to another example. Say this is a frame with intermediate hinge. you can see the scale factor is 1 grid division equal to 2 meter. That means each small division is 2 meter, and it has one hinge here and one hinge here, that is 2 more degrees of freedom. You can see the degrees of freedom from this button press. You see here 23, this is the degrees of freedom for uh, the intermediate hinge. This 22 is another for the intermediate hinge. Now if you run and you go to post analysis, this is axial force, shear diagram, moment diagram, deflection diagram, show graph and table. You can click on one member, and if you want to slide left right to see the values, you can see the values are changing on right pane, and you can show it in tabular form. These are different values. You can choose 12 or 10 uh, divisions, and you can print it to a rich text box. Here you can see that these are member start and end coordinates, and these are cos, sine, theta in degree and their lengths. These are member properties, and here is length factor. You can see that there are two hinges, number of hinge total 2, and length factor is 2. There is one small division is 2 meter. Here is print of support reaction. Here is global displacement. Here is member local forces. And this is load vector, and these are different uh, global member stiffness matrix, and this is uh, structural stiffness matrix, and uh, this has been rearranged. First will be the free degrees of freedom, first elements, and then the restrained degrees of freedom or supported degrees of freedom elements will come. This you can see here. This can help to build matrix, and from this rearranged matrix we can see the uh, indexes indices uh, which was previously assigned, and after rearrangement the indices positions, and here are the four matrices of main matrix, and free degrees of matrix K FF. This is that, and this is for actually support displacement, and this is the inverse, and these are some other calculations, and you can also see it on uh, on notepad. You can see you have to uh, wrap word, so you can see big matrices, and this inverse, this is large inverse, and you can go to model by clicking this. You can also use this to run, this to zoom, this to, and this is zoom extent. uh, you can save this file, save as, and you can save it, say on desktop. You can save as any file, say ex, and you can open that, and you can open also from that saved file, read from this file ex. This will give the same, and now these are select member load, nodal force. You see support displacement is under nodal load, support, add remove support, uh, and this, with this you can edit load, member, etc. Now let us start a new drawing. Okay, I close this and run again. Here you see the draw button. You can choose any of these four. Let us choose one grid division equal to 1 meter. Now say we are drawing this 3 and 3, this 6 unit, this 3 plus 3, this 6 unit, this 6 unit, and we can put support like here, and also we can put support from here. Select node. Here is fixed support, this is pin support, this is roller support, this is guided support, this is spring support. You, in that case you have to put spring constant. This is incline support. You have to put the degree of rotation. You can also delete support. So let us assign a guided support, guided Y. Now this has only degrees of freedom, this direction only. Let us put a member load, point load, say this, uh, say this 80, this length is beam to length 6 meter. We can put it say 1 or 2, 2 meter away. So you can see the uh, load. You can put distributed load. So first minus uh, say 20 minus 50, and here it will start from say 2 meter and end at 4 meter. Add to member. You can see uh, this. You can also edit member load, point load, say we can edit. Uh, in that case, you have to delete all loads, and if you zoom, you can see this end is 20 kilonewton per meter, this end 50 kilonewton per meter. And if we run it, then the deflected shape is like this: axial force, shear force, moment, deflection diagram, and this you can also edit by clicking this, but you have to save it quickly. Uh, let us put an internal hinge. Let us put it at a start, assign. Now if we run from here or here, the diagram is changed. You can go to model view, show in rich text box, different results and matrices. So you can view force value, node number, member number, etc. These are green are these are node numbers, and black are these black numbers are for member numbers. And you can assign or change member property. In that case, you have to first click on edit button and view edit, say member property. You can make it different. Say you can make it say 3, and this you can make say 4. you can change these things and assign to selected member, then this will be changed. And if you want to see member property, view edit, this will be the edited number. And if you put assign default value, then this default value will be assigned to all members. Now you can run. So this is I think the, for today good enough for your starting this using this software. This is small software developed by me, and I think while you will use, you will gradually learn more, and I will publish it on GitHub. It will be open source, free open source software, small software. If the students use it and uh, they get help from it, my effort will be successful. I will be so much glad. So for today, goodbye. Uh, Thank you everybody for watching it with patience.